What's going on? Hey there, Dominic. Sorry, I just got back to the computer. I couldn't start earlier. Hey, what's up? So, what happened so far after the London session? What's the news? What is the news? It seems like not much is going on. Yeah, I see we swept the low here and we might be going back up there. We have a 600 level down there. Did I forget to put, okay, previous day low. Yeah, it's a ranging market, that's for sure. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? Hello there, Kev. Welcome back. Doing great, thank you. Actually, the London session wasn't so good, but it was actually not bad. We were following risk management. How you doing, Trading Star? All right. So, for now, it seems like we might be going higher. I do have a long position on gold right here. So yeah, I have a long position. Don't worry, it's a break even basically. Not much to do with this. I'm actually dun, 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 dun. All right. So far, this is the only thing I have. We are at break even. As for NQ, I'm kind of curious if we're gonna go higher or not. We do have a 1 minute zone up there, but is this gonna go or not? That's the question, as always. Excuse me, something with my voice. So maybe that's finally it. What do you mean finally it? Damn it, what about happening with this gold? Actually, we're not far from that high. 25 points is nothing for NQ, basically. That's nothing. I don't know why it's not going there. It should be going. Excuse me. Good morning, Clarity. Hello there. Reach current new day opening gap. Maybe. Satish, hello. Yeah, that could be the case, Dominic. Ah, retracement done. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh my gosh, I think I just missed my opportunity here on NQ. Hold on. All right, I'm entering a long position. TP 73. I definitely missed my opportunity, damn it. This is not going to cover this position. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I need to enter. I need to add more to this position. All right, this would be better. All right, 73. Stop 622.75. 622. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this goes or not. We picked up liquidity. I don't know why I forgot to put in a limit order here. Should have done it by now. Totally forgot it. Anyway. We're good. Gold is not good. At least not good for me. I might go into reverse this position. Oh, man. Why, gold? Why? Why are you doing this? I need to reverse this. And this is going to be a scalp if I reverse this position. Man. This is how it goes, right? Hey, Terry is here. Oh my gosh. Hello. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. How's it going? Actually, I have to reverse this position, everybody. Just a second. I'll be with you guys in the chat in just a second. I need to reverse this position. 36. Yeah, I'm closing down this position. Okay, 36.8. Just a second, everybody. I need to make sure that we can get this one. 32.9. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. Let me read the chat real quick. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Gabor. Good morning. Yeah, it's a bit choppy. It's definitely choppy. This day is definitely not my day. Gold as usual going to retest 50. Do you think it's going to do that? It might. Could be the case. Yeah, too late. I'm still waiting though. Son of Wall Street, welcome. Hello. I definitely locked in on the chart. All right. I'm here, everybody. So what's happening? Team TT. Yes. You blew a Lucid Eval yesterday. Oh. Thank you for the support, but oh. Tried to push it and of course backfired. Discipline. Always the key. Gotta go with discipline. All right, we got tagged in on the gold trade. Yeah. Same, but good morning. Peter, welcome. Vilike, hello. Martin, good to see you. So, it's kind of strange, to be honest, but it is what it is. I'm kind of having a hard time today. Everything was lining up so perfectly for the zones and everything. So the only thing I can do is, you know, follow the rules and the trading plan. And, you know, we'll see how it goes. I was definitely not expecting these losses today. So we had 3 losses in London, but we were sticking to the 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So that's a good thing. John, hello. Yannick's. So good to see Terry here. She's awesome. Okay, I got stopped out again. All right. This is not good. It's just not good. It's just not good. So we had 4 trades in London session, 3 loss, 1 win, which, you know, with 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, we were not messing with the stop. Ended up with 1R. Now the problem is we just had 2 more losses right now. I mean, I had a long position earlier, so that's 1 more loss and now 1 more loss. So I keep having stop losses all day. Something is off. Something is definitely off. Restricted to trade, ADP non-farm payroll change, 5 minute. Which prop firm is that? FundingTicks. Oh. Hey, Upstate Futures, what's up? Too many stuff. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I actually dedicated 2 of these. I mean, these accounts are dedicated to this, let's just say, more aggressive trading style. So it's fine. Yeah, we're gonna have the ADP. Are we gonna have it today? Today, it seems like, yeah, we're having it in about 50 minutes. Yeah, so we still have some time. Yeah, PMI numbers. Hey, thank you so much. Let's go. DPK, welcome. Yeah, so pretty much just trying to figure out what's gonna happen. I am actually surprised on this. All right. Stop would be 33.6. Okay. This morning I went to accounts. Oh, on TRADEIFY TV. Nice. Congratulations. This week is difficult, so I mean, but obviously it's just 1 week out of many. So it is just difficult. Not much to do, right? You're gonna sell from the same point. Okay. Does Bulenox? Well, they are down to 91% currently. So yeah, Bulenox is down 91%. Why is Streamlabs not working currently? I don't know why. So Bulenox is 91% off, just saying. Which is really good. We like it. Sorry, I was just checking Streamlabs. There's no giveaway. I was just checking. Everybody got hyped up. Oh, there's a giveaway. I was misclicking that button there. Don't worry. There will be a giveaway, but not now. Okay. Do. Anyway, how's everybody doing today? MNQ target. I want to see NQ going all the way up to that 1 minute supply zone up there, 673. But you know, most likely we might gonna see some consolidation until the news. Hey, Mirovsky, good to see you, man. Hey. Sopham, welcome back. They will never gonna get that trailing drawdown off, I think, Reno. Yeah, I know everybody wants that to happen, but unfortunately, they will never gonna do that. They have the end of day trailing accounts, of course, right? The option 2 accounts, but they are a little bit pricier. Doing great, thank you, thank you. So, yeah, today is definitely a strange day. Very strange. Very, very, very strange. Hey, thank you. Yeah, let's smash the like. Yeah, obviously we're gonna have news in 44 minutes, so that could be interesting. We'll see what's gonna happen until then. Looking forward to it. But it's definitely a strange day. Let's wait and see. Okay, so I don't see any other level because we're still in a range. So we're still range trading here. Nothing is going on. Well, gold is tricky nowadays. That's the problem. Gold is very tricky. No, I don't trade on personal account. Only funded accounts. And of course evals. But no, I just don't feel like currently I don't feel like I need to. Like there are some really good prop firms who are offering you know, funded accounts with very good rules. So why I at this point I'm doing perfectly okay. I feel like if I would just put in a few $1,000s to a personal cash account and you know, a day like this happens, I would feel very bad for myself on my personal cash account. So I'm just doing okay on the simulated accounts. That's all right. Yeah, NQ is still kind of interesting here. I don't know. Definitely interesting. Still not approved. When did you apply for the withdrawal? Harshit. Usually, you know, if you apply for a withdrawal in the London session or yesterday after New York hours, you have to wait until New York business hours to get approved. So, yeah. Tarun, hello there. I checked the email. It looks cool. I checked the thumbnail. It really looks cool. Actually, I can show you guys. This is the thumbnail. Oh, you guys don't see it. Tarun made me. Kind of cool. So thank you so much, Tarun, for the thumbnail. I will reply to you. All right, I will reply to you. I promise that. All right. Yesterday, you gotta wait until New York business hours, and you should be approved. Do you know what is a select plan for TRADEIFY? The select plan. What is a select plan? Is there a select plan? Are you not mistaking it with? Let me check it for you. Just a second. There's only Lightning funded and growth accounts right now. So that's not a select plan. I think you're just being prompted to select your plan. In the future? Yeah, in the future, the plan is to trade personal account. Yes, that is the goal. Exactly. So absolutely, Vilka. The goal is to trade the personal account. That is the ultimate goal. That is the ultimate goal. When I feel like I'm ready, I will definitely do that. I will definitely do. Okay, so we have a gold trade also. Oh, announced today? Well, oh, yo, that's the new daily payout plan, right? Okay, I haven't checked it. Sorry. I'm sorry. I haven't checked it yet. My mistake. I was, you know, after the London session, I went out. I know I heard about the new things coming to TRADEIFY, but I haven't checked it yet, so. Kevin, good morning. Hello. Fresh evals, nice. Let's go, Dominic. Nasdaq is pushing. Oh yeah, we have a bit of a push here. I'm just kind of hoping that we will go to that supply zone up there. Would be great. Yeah. All right, let's just wait for it. Pedro, hello, good morning from Colombia. Hey, thank you so much. I wish the same as well. You could make some yeah, I'm actually already doing it. I already have more than 3 hours long of content, so it needs to be furbished properly. But yeah, I'm already working on it. It's in the making. In the making. Yes, I am long on NQ and gold. Yes, I'm buying. So yeah, I have some levels here. We'll see what happens. We obviously have news. It looks good now, but obviously we're gonna have some news in about 35 minutes. Hey Pedro, it's the thing is, it's part of the journey. You know, it's part of prop trading. Burning these accounts every now and then, it's just part of the game. You know. Gonna say thank you long, aiming London highs. Let's go. Yeah, hopefully something is gonna happen. I'm a little bit heavier on gold. I think I'm a little bit too much heavy on gold, but we'll see. Should have gone in with smaller risk, but it's too late now, right? It's too late for that. Why did I go long, or when? Just at the start of the stream. Not too long ago. Actually, I went long on NQ. I wanted to go long. Let me show you. I wanted to go long in this fair value gap. I missed my entry and then I entered manually. If I would have waited, I could have got a better entry. My original entry should have been down here at 718, but I was late. But this would have been the entry. So I actually missed like 5 points on NQ. Yeah, it seems my gold TP is at 46.1. I didn't buy FundingTicks account, not because I don't want it to or they are bad, but I'm having so many accounts right now. It's hard to keep the focus, and I'm definitely going to buy FundingTicks accounts more, but now I need to build some other accounts. So I have like, I don't know, like 10 evaluation accounts. I have 5, 6 fundeds. I had more, but I blew up a couple in November. I'm trying to, you know, trying to work on those as well. Gold is getting closer to the TP here. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna keep the chart on NQ for now. Yeah, TRADEIFY new account. That's kind of cool. Please excuse me for a moment. I have to go out for something. Just 2 minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be right back. Okay, what's happening? What's going on? Are we having some profits already? Good morning. The Punisher, good to see you, man. Victor, hello. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What's up with gold? I would never, I mean, guys, I can't get a read on gold. I don't know what the heck. I don't know. I feel like we're just never going to understand gold. Never ever. It's always gonna play dirty, no matter what we do. Gold is the way like this. Was it a specific thing, aha moment, that made consistently you profitable? And so what? Martin, one thing was that I switched to small positions, like only with a few micros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 micros. That was one part of the equation. I was trading with minis, 1, 2 minis, trying to scalp my way all the way around. So I switched down to micros and went with me. That's one part of the equation. And the other thing is, and I think you should buy a lottery, it somewhat comes close to what you're saying there. Tons of hours. Yes. In one very short sentence, tons of hours, but not just staring at the chart. No. I did a lot of backtesting. Like, guys, you wouldn't imagine, my personal life had suffered about this, not because of just financially or anything, but I was up until 2, 3, 4 a.m. on the weekends, backtesting data, entry models, backtesting entry models, collecting information, data, scrolling the charts 2 years back, writing down a bunch of notes. I don't know if it's here. Well, it's here, but it's down there in my bookshelf. But anyway, lots of notes, lots of information, hours and hours. So I have a gaming computer. I love video games. I played a lot of video games, and I always wanted to play. Anyway, this computer, I have not been playing video games for like many months. I was using my time to do backtesting, learning from ICT lectures. Yes, I know everybody loves ICT, but I'm not a cult member, but I was learning from videos, collecting data. In the meantime, of course, watching the charts as I was learning. Whew. So yeah, in a nutshell, lots of hours. Now, I'm not saying that you have to spend 12 or 14 hours at the charts. But I think there should be a smarter way to do that. But for me, sizing down, chart time, failing a lot, this was the mixture. And so the aha moment, it wasn't just one particular moment. It lasted for like a few weeks. Last year, 2024, June, May, June, I was like, man, I need to do something differently. Let's do this. Let's go at least a month or 2 months with 1 or 2 single micros. Let's focus on the setup. I've been backtesting a lot. I know that this setup is working. I know that these zones are working. I know they are there every single day. I see these zones. Let's just go with 1 or 2 micros and see what's happening. And so, yes, it took me 2 months. And in July, I received payout from I don't even know if it was Apex or Bulenox. And then ever since then, every single month. Now, kind of crazy to think about it, but yeah. Anyway. Good to see you, Punisher. What's up? I think the indicator is cool, John. Yeah, although I just got back to the computer, so I'm gonna check it out in detail later. Gotta scalp gold. Yeah, gold is very bullish. We'll see what happens. I want to see gold go higher. It has to. Farhad, good to see you, man. Hard work pays off. So one thing, yeah, you're welcome, Martin. So one thing, and this is good news. As long as you're not giving up, you're putting in the hard work. I'm not saying to pour in all your money into evaluation accounts. I'm not talking about that. As long as you're putting in the work and learn, let me tell you a secret. I always say this every single stream on MyFunded TV as well, and everywhere. If you're not giving up and you're putting in the work, it's just inevitable that you're gonna get regular payouts. Like, even though if you have only like out of 6 months, you can only get a payout for 3 months. I would also call that consistency. Consistency, I would say, does not mean that you're pulling out money every single month, because trading is, you know, full of peaks and valleys. But I would say in 12 months, so in a year, if you're able to pull out money like in, I mean, half of the time, like in 6 months, doesn't have to be consecutive months, then I would say, yeah, of course. Yeah, 1 week holiday. So if you you pulled out money for like 3 months and then you have 2 months no money from trading, don't worry. It's completely normal in day trading, especially with prop firms. There we have these peaks and valleys. I had my best month was $13,600 from prop firm trading payouts. 13,600. That was this year, May. That was my best month. Then there was slower months. October, I made 10,600 also. Last month, November, I made only $2,000. So $2,000 in November, more than $10,000 in payouts in October. September was $3,600 in September. September, I only made $3,600. In August, I made $9,000. July, anyway, so it's fluctuating all around. Do you ever thought about quitting trading? Never. I mean, yeah. Oh, sorry. So ever thought about quitting trading? Yes, there was a time. There was a moment. Yes. Yeah. So my darkest period was in 2021, end of 2020, early 2021. That was the darkest time. I did thought about quitting. I did thought about it, like, okay, I just have to throw this whole thing away because it's just not gonna work. There was a few days when I was seriously like, I was looking for something else. For a few days, I was intentionally looking for, thinking about other business opportunities or other stuff. What else can I do, right? I had some ideas. So there was a few days like, oh, okay, I'm quitting. This is just too much. But yeah, it happened once. But then I made the decision, like, that's when I said, like, okay, my decision is that I'm going to start from square one, start to learn from square one, throw out everything from my mind and start with the absolute basics and start all over. And yeah, it took me 2 years from that point. From the moment I almost quit trading, it took me more than 2 years. 2 years and like 4 months when I took my first ever payout from a prop firm. So imagine that. I almost throw in the towel, and then that the darkest, deepest moment when I was like, I was financially, mentally broke, everything. I was like, okay, let's start this all over. And from that moment, it still took me 2 years and 4 months to get my first ever payout from prop firms. So trust me when I say this. If I could make it, everybody can. That's the other good news. If you see me, this crazy guy here sitting and lecturing all these crazy stuff to you, if I could make it, the good news is anyone can make it. Anyone. Anyone. It's just a question of time. All right. That's the good news. Look at gold. Come on, gold. Push it. Let's go. We need gold to push it. Oh, it was so close to TP. We still need this to push. But don't worry. Hey, Pedro, you're gonna get there. It's just a question of time. Find a solution must change their perspective and find different. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Trading Star. What the heck is going on with gold? Why is it not going? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But we always need to repeat that thought process. You know, I think if we talk about it time to time, you know, repetition helps us in a certain way, I think. How many firms accounts do you trade at a time? Well, currently I'm having evaluation accounts from like 8 prop firms, funded accounts from like currently 3 prop firms, but it's always changing. I gotta tell you guys, November I had a terrible month. I mean, yeah, I took a payout, but overall I blew up 12 funded accounts in November. In November I blew up 12 funded accounts, plus a couple of evaluation accounts as well. So yeah, I took payout, but in what costs? Yeah. How much do you make in a month from trading? Well, on average, if I have an average, so I have taken out $69,000 from trading this year, trading payout. I'm not afraid to say it. I pay my taxes and everything, $69,000. My payouts right now until this day. Actually almost 70k. Yeah, from trading payouts. So this year. So for some people that's not much. Some gurus are making 70k in one trade on social media. No problem. I'm okay with that. For me, this is a progress, you know, considering where I was a few years ago and where I am right now. For me, it's like a huge progress. It's going to be better next year. Together, we as a team here, we're going to get better. So, gold will go higher. All right. Let's go NQ. Can you share what are sometimes the key factors that help you to get profitable? Yeah. One of the key factors, seek for wisdom, is not having a stressful life. Disabling every stress factor in your personal life. One of the huge key factors. So many things can relate to that. One of the key factors, disable the stress in your life. It could be a financial, maybe, you know, something going on with your family, with your spouse, your financials, anything that gives you extra stress. You gotta, you know, somehow disable it, because that's going to reflect on your trading very much, a lot. And detaching yourself from the profit, by the way, one more thing. Detach yourself from the profits. Focus on the trades. I know you heard it many times. I was also just, you know. Anna, hello. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. So detach yourself from profit. Everybody says the same thing. I was like, oh, that's BS. Yeah, sure, I will detach myself from profits. Yeah. You know what? That's really the truth. detach yourself from the profits. It's gonna help a lot. You're welcome, Victor. Use NinjaTrader. Should I move to yours? I think Ninja is a great platform. I used it until the end of 23, and I did not change because I thought Ninja is bad. I only changed to Quantower because of the multi-connection feature, but otherwise Ninja is cool. I think you should, if you like it, stay with Ninja. It's a cool platform. I like it. How did you blow them? Not exactly. Hey, just as usual things. Yeah, Roblox. Yeah. Revenge trading. I was having some personal life issues. You know, escalated in November that I had to deal with. It definitely took a toll on my mindset. How much have you earned from affiliates year to date, if you don't mind? I don't really want to give an exact number. I can give you an estimate. It definitely... Gold Forex, hello! Thank you for joining. Welcome. So just to give you an estimate, not... Well, somewhere around the same on average as I'm making from trading. Some others are making way more from affiliates. Some people making way less. But it definitely helps to pay the taxes. I also have to pay tax from my affiliate commission, so never forget that. And just to understate this, I just have to say that, like, affiliate commission definitely helped me to be here full-time on YouTube. Without that, it would have been harder, for sure. Like, I left my job in 24 because I started to earn money from affiliate commissions, and so I switched because the community grew as much as, I mean, we're here and I'm super happy about it. And then I made the decision that I want to be here full-time. And without the affiliate commissions, it would have been a slower process, right? So yeah. Hey! Hit the TP! Nice. All right. Gold TP hit. Normal people earn like 35k in a year, so yeah, but don't forget, I also have to pay tax. I'm paying my rent, I'm paying the bills, I have a loan to pay. So yeah, obviously, yeah, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying, like, it's not all rainbow and sunshine. But yes, exactly. Please show the gold trade. Oh, I was showing. Okay. 5 months, 0 payments. Asia, those are rookie numbers. Ask the same question when you're at, I don't know, 60 months. Don't worry, it's fine. 5 months, 0 payments. You're perfectly doing great. Asia, you are fine. All right, that's fine. Oh my gosh, I'm way behind the chat. I gotta scroll real quick. I'm gonna scroll real quick. I'm sorry. How do you from PNL? The easiest way to detach yourself if you have a main job or other income. So just to say, just to be clear, I was having a really good job, a fairly good job. I was working for an insurance company back then. And so anyway, when trading is not your main source of income, it makes it easier for you to detach. So if there's no other income that you have, obviously it's a harder journey, but yeah. 1 day pass on FundingTicks. Oh, sorry. It still says, oh, sorry. I'm gonna correct it. It says 1 day pass. Hold on. FundingTicks. Okay. Sorry. My mistake. I did not update the bot. It's my mistake. I apologize. I have to be careful with these things because false advertisement is not good. I'm sorry. Can you copy trade in NinjaTrader? Yes, you can, but you gotta install Replicanto. It's called Replicanto. You gotta install a third-party software. You contribute. Thank you so much, Roblox. I appreciate. And by the way, I appreciate everybody here who is using the code. I cannot repeat that. How much it enables me to be here full time on YouTube. And yes, affiliate business, by the way, it's not like a long-term business. They are saying that affiliate model is going to go away. So, but I think about YouTube as also a separate business model, because I'm thinking about the whole process as separate streams of income, right? Trading is one stream of income, YouTube is a stream of income, affiliate commission is a stream of income, digital marketing, right? So you got to understand that I'm sort of like an entrepreneur, and I'm trying to make money from online by being here. This is my quote-unquote job, and I try to make the best out of it. And you guys as the community, and Roblox and everybody, greatly appreciate everybody who's using the code and supporting. It really means I don't have a Lambo or Porsche or McLaren in the background, but you know, it helps as a little knowledge we're getting from stream without. Thank you so much. Trading gold profits, let's go. Yeah, I still have the NQ trade here. I really want to see it go up there to that 73. We'll see how it goes. Smash the like. 5 months, that's nothing. 2 years, that's also nothing. Pedro, 2 years, not a big deal, man. I mean, don't worry, 2 years still okay. I'm slow. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're having, I'm gonna leave this on. We're having news. Daily payouts are they're still not updated the website, Mirovsky. I think they will update it, I think, in a few hours. Can we be on the list for MyFundedFutures Christmas giveaway? Sure. I mean they told us that we can have a list of people. The only thing that they told us that we should choose people from MyFundedFutures who are like there since a long time, or they are contributing a lot in the chat. It's hard to say because I can't remember all the names there, but you know, we'll try to do our best. Yeah, it's news. Almost news. Let's wait just one more minute. All right. Taking it off. Took it off. All right. Book the profit because we're having news. Thank you for reminding. This was good. So we made back what we lost. So that is actually very good. Slight profit, but yeah, we made it back. I had to book it because we're having news. But yeah. Yeah. We're okay. I know. I was watching the clock, by the way, on my left here. Like, we need to close it. So this was cool. These were good trades. Hey, thank you so much, Kevin. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate the support and everyone. Thank you. Let's see how ADP is gonna go. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna spike higher, by the way. Yeah. Third world countries who have harder time affording. That's also something that I think is considerable, by the way. I think we talked, I don't know, did we talk about, anyway. Oh, look at that. I would be hitting the TP right now. Oh, the FOMO. The FOMO is here. Okay, no problem. Oh my gosh, the FOMO. Anyway, less than 20 seconds. Closed at 60. All right, 10 seconds to go. Let's see how this goes. Closed at 25. Yeah. Here we go. Here's the number. Okay. So far, nothing special. This is the 1 minute chart. Gold is spiking higher as well. Okay, like I was expecting more, but it's fine. Let's check the number. Do you also trade micros on evals or just in? Also on evals sometimes. Yeah, no, I actually, yes, I trade micro on evals too. Maybe a little bit more evals. Yes. Don't worry about it, Gabor. Don't worry. Let's check the number. All right. So gold went through the roof here. We reached that zone up here. Okay, so that's kind of cool. What else do we have? Let's see the number. Oh. Okay. What? This is not good, right? This is a bad number. This is a bad number, right? Negative 32K. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Quantower lets you to connect to multiple props and copy trades it too, but that's a paid service. So you have to pay $30. Actually, you can use my discount code. It's not actually, I made overall $9 from Quantower, but there's a discount code, the same TOMSABO. If you use it, it's $27 at Quantower, and it's a monthly payment for $27. You can have the so-called advanced features. Advanced features lets you to connect to multiple prop firms at the same time. The copy trader is built in, it's free. The copy trader is free with Quantower if you're copy trading at the same prop firm, just like a TRADEIFY. But if you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, then you gotta pay $27 per month. Yeah, bad job number. Late rate cut. So yeah, good for gold is going. Yeah, look at that. I wonder, I mean, it feels like it might want to go higher. Was this yesterday? Yeah, yesterday's high. Previous day high is 4262. That's the number, right? Yeah. So previous day high up there. Good morning, Stefan. Hello. Let's see. It's because of the, yeah, exactly, Sapam. Yeah, I mean, Fizzly just answered the question there. Okay. Let's see what else is going on here. No demand zone that I would go with. Let's check for gold. Let's look for the left. What is happening here? Okay, nothing. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Okay, there is a from the Asia session, there is a supply zone here on the 1 minute. I'm not saying that it's going there, but it seems like it's going there. Okay. I feel like gold wants to go there. What do you guys think? Shoulda, woulda, coulda, I know. with the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Opening up this candle was at 57.3. This would be a good opportunity for a continuation on gold. NQ going lower. I think gold just wants to go, to be honest. Gold, I think gold is gonna go. It has to go for that zone. Maybe not now, maybe after the market open, but it has a great potential. Anyway. Yeah, 5-second delay if you're not a subscriber. Yeah, on TradingView. Yeah. 5 green rays on your top one account. They keep blowing out the run. I think maybe because you're pretty much, you know, attached to those payouts. I mean, you want to get that payout maybe a little bit. Hold on. 0.3. Which is not a problem, obviously, but 10 to 14 days for a payout. Yeah, I think it's ideal, by the way, because then you're not focusing so much on that payout. I mean, to get that payout super fast, right? It helps you to detach yourself to act super quick and fast. 5% from all-time high again. Wow. Okay. So it's going. It just keeps going. Okay, nothing on NQ, no target or anything. We had this pullback here. Obviously, it wasn't a good number. Trying to look for something else here to the left, but there is no target I could go for a short. Asia lows, maybe. That's a little bit too far, right? Oh, sorry, that's previous. Asia low. It depends. What is the Asia low, right? I used to check the Tokyo Open. Sorry, Tokyo Open was here. That has been taken out here in London. Now, obviously, we can look for this one as well at 730, 575, but yeah, who knows? Good question. Looking for others 5-day payouts. I'm trying to make 400 to 1000 a day. Yeah, the pressure is much bigger, right, Caleb? Yeah. I want to congratulate you because you're very transparent with the information advice. Hey, thank you so much, Pedro. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate the kind words and everything. Thank you. It's bouncing off the London kill zone. Well, it's just picked up some liquidity on this fair value gap, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Gold is pulling back a little bit. Which is normal, I guess. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. There's a small fair value gap here. Might have picked up enough liquidity there. I don't know. 4-hour chart. Gold or NQ. Sorry, I'm switching all over the place here. Apologize. You can always follow in this corner here where I am at. What is the abbreviation for gold? Hold on. Just a second. Yeah, so abbreviation for gold, that's gonna be MGCG or GC, MGC or GC, and you have to go with the G contract. MGC or GC, but I suggest you go with micro, so MGC. Yeah, so the G contract is the new one. MGCG. That should be the one that you... MGC1 also works if it gives you that. But MGCG 2026 or just MGCG. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Caleb, I like the way you... Yeah, exactly. 10-14 days because... Exactly. I agree. I agree. 100%. 100%. I have a feeling the reason I'm watching gold because I just want to know the answer that are we going to smash through that 57.1? I think we should, by the way. That's what I think. was trading on expired contracts. Was getting, yeah, the problem is the fills are very bad, lots of slippage, bad execution there. Yeah, no orders basically, is drying up. The whole contract is just, you know, it's drying out of new orders. I don't even know who actually trades on the old contracts, because I used to see like there's still volume on the old contracts. It's just interesting, right? Like, why would anyone intentionally stay on an old contract to continue trading there? Anyway. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I need to sleep more. I need to sleep more. King of Yellow, hello. After a long time from now, does the market... Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully we will see some good. Well, after how long? Sorry, I can't read. How long from now does the market open? Sorry guys, I apologize. It's gonna open in 59 minutes, 58 minutes. I have new glasses, I still can't read the chat. So 58 minutes. In which city do you live? I live 100 kilometers south from Budapest. It's called Kecskemét. You will not able to say it correctly. We have a military air base here, but yeah, it's Kecskemét. It's called Kecskemét. You will never. It's super hard to pronunciate. But it's about 100 kilometers south from Budapest. Or 90, maybe 90. Oh, you were asking, sorry. Who was asking? Pedro. Oh yeah, Solnock is close here, it's not far. Yeah, we already have a Discord, so I'm gonna throw out some invite links in the next stream, all right? I have to upload some content there. All right, everybody. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna call it here and get ready for MyFunded TV. So I'm gonna be at yeah, Discord, exactly, yay. So thank you so much. I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 26 minutes. Stay tuned if you would like to continue with the community there, and I will be back here tomorrow, London and New York as well, just like today. Thank you so much. After that terrible start, we managed to recover our losses, so let's see what happens. I'll be seeing you guys later. God bless you all. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. It definitely helps me here to be here full time. Thank you so much. Everybody is awesome. God bless you all. Stay safe and be safe. Cheers, everyone.